Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, let's continue to discuss the chapter light, reflection, and refraction. So both of we have already finished reflection concept completely. Maybe the definition, loss, as well as formation of images by mirrors. And even with respect to refraction, we have got the definition, loss, refractive indices, then problems on that. Next, we started discussing about the lenses. In the lenses, we have two types. A type of lens in which the middle part is thicker than the edges, convex. So we have already learned describing the characteristics of image formed by convex lens through ray diagrams, right? Do you all remember the characteristics? The characteristics are nature, size, and position. So these are described with respect to image. Now, once we shall recall these characteristics, then afterwards we'll move on to the formation of the image by concave lenses. Here, what do you call this straight line with respect to lens? Principal axis. This perpendicular line, aperture. Point of intersection, optic center. That is the geometric center of the lens. It is always inside the lens. Then what type of lens it is? Convex. This is first principal focus. This is second principal focus. And these are also to be marked on the other side because it is a transparent material. Next, this is first principal focus and is second principal focus. Could you tell what is the distance between optical center and principal focus? Focal length. Here from here to here, O to F, that is also focal length. Whether focal length of the convex lens is positive or negative? It is positive, right? What happens when a ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis? Yes. It gets refracted, the refracted ray passes through the focus on the other side of the lens. Next, what happens to the light ray when it incident exactly at the optical center? It passes through the lens without bending. If so, at what angle the ray of light incident on the surface of the lens? 90 degree. What is the angle of incidence? 0 degree. Angle of refraction? 0 degree. Then a ray of light coming from the object passes through the focus, then it incident on the lens. How will be the refracted ray? Yes, refracted ray will be parallel to the principal axis. These are the three important rules. See, here I have taken all the rays above the principal axis. Even they may give below the principal axis. Not only that, even from the right side as well. But you must know these rules. Next, after that, we describe nature, size, and position of the image formed by the convex lens. It all depends on the position of the object. When the object is placed between optical center and principal focus, where is the image formed? Image is formed. Image is formed in front of the lens or on the same side of the object. Right?
Sir, unmute your audio. Unmute your audio. Unmute your audio. Unmute your audio.
Nature of the image is virtual and direct. Size is magnified. Then, when the object is placed at F, where the image is formed?
At infinity.
Image is formed at infinity on the Other side of
Other side of the lens.
What is the nature of the image?
Real and inverted.
Real and inverted.
Size,
Highly
Highly
magnified.
magnified.
position, just you said that it is at infinity on the other side of the lens. When the object is placed between f and 2f,
Beyond the 2f
Beyond
on the
2f.
other side of the lens.
On other side of
formed. Image is formed beyond 2f
Beyond
on
2f.
the other side of the lens.
Lens.
When the object is placed between f and 2f, image is formed beyond 2f on the other side of the lens. Then what is the nature?
Real and
Real and
inverted.
inverted.
Inverted. Size,
Magnified.
Enlarged.
magnified.
position,
Beyond
2f
2f.
on the other side of the lens. When the object is placed at 2f,
2F's
where the
position
image
of
is formed,
position of
On the
image
other
is
side
at
of the
2F.
at 2f on the other side of the
Of the lens.
nature,
Real and
Real
inverted.
and inverted.
real and inverted.
Inverted.
Size,
Same as that of the object.
object. Position
At
at
2f.
2f on the
At
other
2f.
side of the lens. Next, object is to be placed beyond 2f. Hitesh,
Image is formed between f
Between
and
f
2f.
and
Between
2f
F
on
and
the other
2f,
side of the
sir.
lens.
image is formed between f
F
and
and 2f on the other side of the lens.
nature of the image,
Real
Real
and
and
inverted.
real and inverted.
Smaller.
Size,
Diminished.
smaller than the object, nothing but diminished. Position between f and 2f.
Between f and 2f.
When the object is placed at infinity, where the image is formed,
At
focus.
focus. At the other side of the lens.
At F.
nature,
Real and
Real and
inverted.
inverted.
real and inverted. Size,
Highly diminished.
Point size. Highly diminished.
highly diminished. Very small size image is formed. Okay, this much was discussed in the last class. Now we are moving to focus on describing the characteristics of image formed by concave lens. That's what. Right. Side heading. Side heading. Formation of image by concave lens. Next, below that. And describing the characteristics of image through ray diagrams. Characteristics of image are to be described through ray diagrams. What is the first position? When the object is placed between optical center and principal
Focus.
focus. Next one, at F.
Focus and
Between F and 2F. Just I go for taking only the 3 positions of the object. Only 3 positions. Yeah. No need to go for all. You come to know the reason. Now, in the try first one, when the object is placed, between optical center and principal focus. The object is placed between optical center and principal focus. go for drawing concave lens. First, you have to draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. And go on marking for every 2 centimeters. Here, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then draw a perpendicular at the midpoint. Next, mark the points. This is optical center and is first principal focus. This is second principal focus. And here, first principal focus, and this is second principal focus. Overall. Next, you may use either protractor or compasses. Here I am using the protractor. See, just I am placing this protractor against 90 degree along the line, principal axis. Now, let me draw an arc. Similarly, on the other side as well, just close to the aperture, place the protractor and draw an arc. This is concave lens. Even you may go for using compasses as well. Now let us go for placing the object. Place the object between optical center and principal focus. You may place exactly in between or towards the lens or towards F. I am taking towards F. Let the height of the object be 1 centimeter. Name it as AB. What is the first ray? Yes, parallel line. A ray of light coming from the object incident on the lens parallel to the principal axis. What happens? It passes through focus. Huh? It appears to diverge from the focus on the same side of the object or on the other side of the object?
The other side of the object.
Same side. Light ray get diverged here. See that it is like this. Light ray get diverged. When this diverging ray is extended, it will pass through the focus. That can be shown like this. Overall. Then what is the second ray?
A ray through optic center.
A ray of light coming from the object incident at optical center and it passes through the lens without bending. So let me draw this ray. This is the ray. And both will intersect at a point. Let us draw the perpendicular from that point of intersection. Over. Minister. Now you tell that. What does N dash indicate?
Concave lens.
Then what is the nature of the lens?
Real and
Concave.
Divergent.
Nature of the lens ಅದನ್ನ types use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Don't think that it is only for image. Vijay. Then what does AB indicate?
image
Object.
just placed.
A dash B dash indicate
Image.
image. Now, F indicates focus, principal focus. O indicates optical center or optic center. Now, let us go for describing the characteristics. Please go on writing with me. Characteristics. First, nature. What is the nature of the image? Is it possible to catch the image on the screen?
No, sir.
No.
It is
Virtual.
virtual and direct.
On the
Virtual
same
and
side of
direct.
the object. So that is why it is not possible. Hence it is virtual. Whether it is formed above the principal axis or below the principal axis.
Above the
Above.
principal
Above the
axis.
Yes,
principal
or
axis.
inverted. It is erect image. Right. Nature is virtual and erect. Size of the image diminished, smaller than the object. Arsha, have written. Arsha is getting. Okay. Size is diminished. Position between
Focus and optic center.
center and principal focus on the same side of the object. Object ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಕಡೆನೇ image form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Between O and F. O and F on the same side of the object. The same side of the object. Now, directly I'll go for taking another one. That is, when the object is placed between F and 2F. Another thought. Then afterwards, we'll move on to beyond 2F. Only these three are enough. Because in all these cases, image form will be same only. Position of the image. We'll come to know. Right. Second one. When the object is placed between F and 2F. The object is placed between F and 2F. Write it quickly. Arsha G Gatti, let your concentration be here. Draw a straight line. And go on marking for every 2 centimeter. It is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Next, draw the perpendicular line which indicates the aperture. And go on marking. This is optical center, principal focus, and this is second principal focus. Here also. Principal focus, second principal focus. You may use either protractor or compasses. If you are using the compasses, then with the 2F as center and close to optical center as radius, you may draw an arc. And without changing the radius, with the 2F on the other side of the lens as center, draw an arc. This is concave. Now let us go for placing the object between F and 2F. Here I am placing. Let the height of the object be 1 centimeter. Name it as AB. Mukta, what is the first ray? Huh? What is the first ray?
Driver.
Parallel to the principal
Principal
axis. Ray of light coming from the object incident of the lens parallel to the principal axis. What happens? This ray get diverged, that is refracted, and the refracted ray, when it is extended, it passes through focus on the same side of the object. So you can draw like this. It's focus, and this is the ray. Let us extend it. Show the direction without it. Spandana, which is the second ray? Yes.
Passing through from optics.
Incident at optical center. Spandana, what happens here? This ray passes through optical center. Sorry, it passes through the lens without bending. At what angle it will incident on the lens? 90 degree. Angle of incidence? 0. Angle of refraction? 0. Both the refracted rays have intersected at a point. Where is that point? Between optical center and principal focus. Gagandeep, have you copied? Tushar? Nilesh? Yes, okay, right. Pratiksha DG, completed? Now, draw the perpendicular line from this point of intersection to the principal axis, and name it as A dash, B dash. Firdaus, tell the characteristics. What is the nature?
Virtual and direct.
Virtual and direct.
Virtual and direct, sir.
direct. Size.
Highly diminished.
Diminished. Smaller than the much smaller than the object. Compare this size and this size. According to the measurement what I have taken, here, this board I have taken the height of the object as 8 centimeter. Image just 4.5 and here 3. So that see that object is placed at more distance than first. Size of the image still decreased. When you think that here is a concave lens, if I start moving away from it, whatever the image formed with that, will it go on? The height of the image will go on decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing.
What it? As the distance increases, the height of the image decreases, or size of the image decreases. Remember. Write the characteristics with me. Characteristics. Mithun Swami. Yes. Tell the characteristics. Vega. Nature. It is. Virtual. Why it is virtual?
It cannot be caught on a screen.
This image cannot be caught on the screen. It is erect because it is, of course, straight, upright, and
Above
is
the
above
principal
the
axis.
principal axis. Next. Size. Why it is diminished?
Diminished.
Yes, it is diminished because smaller than the object.
Between optical center and focus.
Now, very good.
Between
Position is
optical center and
between
focus on the same side of the
what
object.
on the same side of the object or on the other side?
Same side of
On the
the
same side of the
Same
object.
side of the object.
Between O and F. on the same side of the object. So in front of the lens, no problem. Same side of the object. Just one simple question for you all. In both the cases, what is the object distance, whether it is positive or negative? Ashutosh, Vijay.
Positive, sir.
Positive, sir.
Object distance calculate.
Negative, sir.
Negative, sir.
Negative.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ object distance negative ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Whether it may be lens or mirror, may be concave or convex, object distance will always be negative because that distance is in the direction opposite to the light. I have placed the object here. Light is moving from left to right, but we will take the distance from optic center. In the thought, right to left. Light is moving from left to right. Distance is taken from right to left. It is opposite to the direction of light. Hence, it is negative. Object distance is negative. Clear? In case of mirror, we will take the distance from the pole. In lens, we will take the distance from optical center. Now, in this case, what is the image distance? Positive or negative?
Negative.
That is also
Negative.
ಅಲ್ವಾ concave ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ image distances ಕೂಡ negative ಇರುತ್ತೆ because image is formed between O and F on the same side of the object. That is why image formed will always be negative. In convex, it is
Positive or negative.
Positive or negative.
except in one case. When the object is placed between O and F of convex lens, image is formed on the same side of the object. At one bit between, in all other cases, images are caught on the screen. They are formed on the other side of the lens. Got it? Image distances are positive in case of convex lens. In case of convex lens, except one case between O and F. Whereas in concave lens, all the image distances are negative. We place the object between O and F or at infinity. If any place kuda, it is formed between O and F only. Hence it is negative. Same. Even ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ object ನೀವು place ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Got it? Next, I'll go for one more. Afterwards, we'll move on to the next concept. What is the next position?
When the object is placed
Beyond
at
to
When the object placed
Beyond
in the infinity.
Right. Third one, when the object is placed beyond 2F. Beyond 2F. Yes. Go on drawing. First, draw a straight line. So this time I'm going to extend this line because the object is to be placed beyond 2F. And go on marking for every 2 centimeters. 2, 4, 6, and is 8. Here, not at the midpoint, just extend it to one more point. Draw perpendicular line. Let this height be 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters above the principal axis, 2 centimeters below the principal axis. Mark optical center, first principal focus, second principal focus. Then on the other side also, first principal focus, second principal focus, even you can mark third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Let us draw concave lens. If you are using compasses with 2F as center and close to optical center as radius, draw an arc. Without changing the radius, 2F as center on the other side. Draw an arc. Now, this is concave. Then let us place the object beyond 2f. You may place that between 2f and 3f, or at 4f, 5f. It depends on each distance at all. This is the object. You may name this as AB. Next, first ray. First ray is parallel to the principal axis. Draw that. This ray appears as if it is diverging from a point, from the focus on the same side of the object. Here. Over up. Kishan, finished. Okay. Next, what is the second ray?
Passing through optical center.
Optic center.
Ray of light coming from the object incident at optical center, and it passes through the optical center without bending. Both the refracted rays have intersected at a point. From that point, draw the perpendicular. Just to compare the size. What is it?
Highly diminished.
Diminished, sir.
Diminished ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ previously ನೀವು compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ again it is decreasing as the object moves away from the lens, the size will go on decreasing. So let us write the characteristics. Right. Characteristics. First, nature.
Virtual and direct.
Virtual and direct.
Virtual and direct. Compared with previous also. Size.
Diminished.
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 Diminished. Position.
Between O and F.
Between O and F,
same
on
side
the
of the
same
object.
side
On
of
the
the
same
object.
side of the lens.
Between O and F on the same side of the object. The same side of the object. Ora. Just we have come across only the three positions of the object. One is between O and F, second one is between F and 2F, and third one is beyond 2F. In all these, the similarity is
Object is diminished and same size
Object
of
is always
object
between O and F.
nature of the image in all the three cases is same.
It is always virtual and direct.
So position of the image is always
And it will come only the same object.
Size, of course, in all the cases, image is smaller than the object, but the size of the image will go on decreasing as the object is
Yes,
moved
sir.
away from the lens,
lens.
right?
Sir.
Next, but don't say that it is similarity. Size
Nature.
variation ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ exact similarity ಸಿಗೋದು nature ಅಲ್ಲಿ. First case, nature is virtual and direct. Second case, virtual and direct. Third case, virtual and direct.
Virtual and direct.
But size is changing. It is
Position is same.
being decreased as the object is taken away from the lens. Next, position, whether it changes will be same.
Will be same.
No.
changes, sir. As
It
the
will change.
Optical center and principal focus. Adu same ide ashte. But exact position of the image is different. Just like between O and F antandre okay. But exactly antandaga again you will find the difference. We will come to know that difference. Just to compare the position of the image from the optical center in all the three cases. So compare ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. So just with a hand distance ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First one, second one and third one. This is second one and this is third one. Same idena? No. As the object is moving away from the lens, then what is the distance of the image formed? Is increasing or decreasing?
Increases, sir.
Increasing, sir.
I or D?
Decreasing.
I, sir, I.
I
Increasing, sir.
or
Increasing.
D?
I.
I, sir, increasing.
Increasing. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Are you all following?
Yes, sir.
Distance ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ this distance I'm taking. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ third case. And even when it is placed away, again it will be closer. And one thing you must remember, as the object is taken away from the lens, the image will be image form will be towards the F. Principal focus ke hatra ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? Please do remember. So this is about describing the characteristics through ray diagram. Describing the characteristics of image formed by concave lens through ray diagram. So the next part of this concept, that is with respect to concave, with respect to lens, is Cartesian sign rules, then lens formula, next even
For
here also
magnification.
magnification. So let us go for describing all these. All right, finally, new Cartesian sign rules. New Cartesian sign rules. New Cartesian sign rules for refraction or reflection?
Refraction.
Refraction through mirror or lens?
Lens, sir.
Through lens.
Through lens. Refraction through lens. Refraction through lens. Here you have to draw both convex and concave. Yes, quick as possible. Draw straight line. Go on marking for every 2 centimeters. Here also. Let me draw one more line which represents the principal axis and go on marking for every 2 centimeters. Over. Next. Draw the perpendicular which represents
Aperture.
Next, let us draw convex as well as concave. First one, convex. Next, concave. Ashutosh, ready start? Take much time. Yes, this is concave. And go on marking the geometric center of the lens. What it is called? Optic center.
Optic center.
Center. Then what do you call the point on the principal axis where the rays of
Focus.
light actually meet?
Focus. Principal focus.
Principal focus of convex lens.
Convex lens.
Appear to me. It is principal focus
Principal
of
focus of concave lens.
Alright. Listen. Just observe the ball. Now you can where the object is placed.
Between O and F.
Between O and F. Where the image is formed.
Beyond 2F on the same side of the object.
Beyond 2F also just it is formed in front of the lens and ball cluster. You ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. This is image. Then when the object is placed at F, at infinity. When the object is placed at 2F, at 2F. When the object is placed beyond 2F, between F and 2F, Ilba. See, here AB is an object, A dash, B dash is an image, and this is an image, A double dash, B double dash. Okay, now all possibilities were there. Understood? Next. Here, in case of concave, where the object is placed between O and F, where the image is formed
Between O and F.
between O and F only. It is A dash, B dash. If the object is placed beyond, sorry, after F, image is formed between
O and
O
F.
and F only. Even at 2F, it is formed between O and F only. Whether image showing, is it correct? A dash, A double dash, B double dash? Correct it is. And what because as the object is taken away, it will be closer to the principal focus. Now let us go for writing the rules. Stop. Here. Now very well. Listen to me. Stop writing. Ikra Nazreen, Venkatesh, Chinmayi MK, Sumit, Deepashri, listen to. What do you call the distance of the object from the lens? Object distance.
Object
Object
distance.
distance is denoted by which symbol?
U.
It is U. In these two figures, whether light is coming from left side or right side.
Left side.
Left side.
The object is placed on the left side, so that light will come from that side. Here, object distance or image distance, object distance or image distance. Not only that, focal length. All are measured from optical center. All the distances are measured from optical center. Whether it may be object distance, it may be image distance, it may be focal length, even it may be a radius of curvature. So let us write that first. Write it quickly. All the distances, in bracket you may write U B, F, R are measured from optical distance, optical center. Here also, the distances that are measured along the direction of light, positive or negative? Positive. The
Positive.
distances that are measured along the, in the direction opposite to the light, they are
Negative.
Negative.
Right. The distances that are measured, along the direction of light, are positive and against to the direction of light, opposite to the direction of light, against to the direction of light, are negative.
Sir, say that point once again, sir.
Over. Next, observe the heights of the object and heights of the images. Height of the object is always placed
Positive.
above the principal axis. Adotri yavaglu positive irutte. Whereas image, it may be found above the principal axis or below the principal axis. In general, heights above the principal axis are positive, and height below the
Negative.
principal axis are negative.
Negative.
Vijay, writing, full writing. Non writing ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀನು writing ಮಾಡು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? When I stop, you should also stop. When I'll be explaining, you should not explain. You should listen. Okay? Correct. Teachers na follow up ಮಾಡು. Let us write third point. Vijay, ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳು first. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳು? No. He is telling lie. He is telling that I have not understood. He did not hear only. ಕೇಳದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? That is why in physics we have a rule that two things cannot be placed in one place at the same time or simultaneously. Alva? Correct ಆಗಿ ನಾವು explain ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ correct ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. It should not be like having the food, watching TV. Some will be having the habit of having the food, watching TV. Even something will fall in that, they'll go for mixing and they'll go for eating. It happens, really. Small cockroach will come and it will be on your plate. But if your concentration is only on the TV, then you will mix with the food. In spite eating, you cannot come to know. Okay. When you are watching TV, watch TV for a while. When you are eating, let your concentration be only on the food item. It is good for health also. Yes, let us write. The heights above the principal axis are positive. Below the principal axis are
Negative.
The heights above the principal axis are positive. Whether it may be object or image. And below the principal axis are negative. Next. Observe. What is the object distance? Positive or negative? Or both? Object distance.
Object distance always be negative, sir.
Negative.
It's always negative. Yes. Right. Object distance. Object distance is always negative. Why it is always negative?
Because it is on the
We
left side.
measure from the opposite to the
It is
direction of.
always, very good. This distance is always measured in the direction opposite to the line. That is why it is negative. And what about the image distance?
It may be positive, it may be negative.
Or
Maybe
negative.
negative.
And image distance may be positive or negative. Alright. Arun Shetty. Finished. Don't play with the current. Next. What is the focal length of the convex lens? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Are you sure?
It may be negative or
Yeah.
positive.
Positive for convex.
Positive.
Positive for convex and negative for concave.
Focus. This is focus. 2F and so on. Rays of light incident on the convex lens.
Positive, sir.
And after the reflection, all the rays meet at a point on the other side of the lens. Light is coming from left to right, and focal length is measured from left to right or right to left? Left to right. They direction. Optical center is there. See, light is from left to right. Optical center, sorry, focal length is left to right in the same direction. Now it is
Positive, sir.
positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So focal length of convex lens is positive. Got it? Even in mirror also, focal length of the convex mirror is positive.
Positive.
Common difference, sorry, common similarity na ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What about the focal length of the concave?
Negative.
It is
Negative.
Diverging point will be on the same side of the object. We will go for taking the distance in the direction opposite to the line. Hence, focal length of the concave is negative. Followed? Then all the light rays intersect on this side. Light from right to left, focal length from right to left. So focal length is positive. Did you understand? Why? One side. What is this? Principal axis, very important. I can write it. Thank you. Perpendicular line.
Right, sir.
Hyperstellar.
Convex lens.
Convex.
Optic center.
Optic center.
Focus.
Principal focus. Second principal focus. First principal focus.
Second principal focus.
Light ray, you may consider either from left to right or from right to left.
Left to right.
Depends on where the object is placed. Got it? So here, if we go for placing the object here, then the
Right to
rays-
left.
See, these are the light rays coming from right to left. Alva? Then
Yes, sir.
these light rays pass through the lens and they
Need
E
that
at
focus.
the point, the principal axis, that is at F. This is focal length. Focal length is measured from optical
Optic center to
center,
focus.
right to left, in the same direction. Therefore, focal length of the convex lens is positive.
Positive.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And concave lens is
Negative,
negative.
sir.
Right. The focal length of convex lens is positive. Positive in bracket 5 plus B. And concave lens is negative. Negative. Yes. All the points have been written. Have you left any point? No. All are covered in this only. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Is it finished? Okay. Observe. What do you call U?
Object distance.
Object distance.
We.
Image distance.
Image distance.
Yes.
Focal length.
Focal length.
Focal length.
We have already come to know the relationship among these three with respect to mirrors.
Yes, sir.
What was that relationship?
1 by F is
1
equal
by
to
By
F
F is equal to 1 by U
plus
plus
1 by
1 by
V.
V.
1 by
1 by F. 1 by V plus 1 by U.
Yes, it is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This was the relationship. Can it be written as 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U?
Yes, sir.
Can we write it out?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
How
sir.
it is
Sir,
done?
they are all positive.
No difference at all. 2 plus 3 is
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2
Commutative property.
is also
5, sir.
fine. Both
5,
are
sir.
same only.
Answer is equal.
Whereas the relationship among U, V and F, object distance, image distance and focal length with respect to length, it is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus
1 by
1 by
U.
U. Reason ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ in case of mirror, the real and inverted images are formed with respect to concave, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ convex ಬರುತ್ತೆ lens ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Got it? Real and inverted images are formed with respect to convex. Hence, just we'll go for changing the sign. It is 1 by V minus 1 by U. Actually, derivation is there, but it is not there in your syllabus. Extra period teach. Now, it is also very easy to remember. In your previous class,
Reflection.
Your previous class was 9. There you have learned a chapter called motion. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
And also
Yes,
you
sir.
have discussed about some of the physical quantities. Do you
Yes, sir.
remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are those physical quantities? Scalar and vector. Okay. Other than that, They are the main
Distance and displacement.
Actual physical
Distance,
quantities.
displacement,
Displacement.
velocity,
Discuss.
speed.
Distance, displacement,
Speed.
Acceleration.
velocity, average
Acceleration.
velocity,
Acceleration.
acceleration,
Retardation.
deceleration,
Uniform acceleration.
acceleration, or retardation. Alva? These are the important physical quantities that we had learned. Just to recall, average velocity formula. Yes.
Total distance by total time taken.
Total distance.
Total distance divided by total time, that is, of course, it is also. Just observe it. And if you know initial speed and final speed, then you can find out its average velocity by using this u plus v by 2. Similarly, you're also familiar with the formula to find out acceleration. What is that? V minus u by t. Change in velocity by time taken. You know, v minus u in it. Here v minus acceleration. U plus v, 1 by u plus 1 by. Got it? Mirror, it is positive. And case of lens, negative. But then you 1 by u minus 1 by v and the wrong.
1 by V minus 1 by U.
V minus u. 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the lens formula. Lens formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the formula which gives the relationship among object distance, image distance, and focal length of lens. And it is with respect to mirror. Similarly, we have learned how to compare the size of the image to the size of the object. Is it not, Rajat Kesari?
Magnification.
Very good point. Yes. Which scientific term is used to compare the size of the
Magnification.
object? It is magnification, right? What is the
It's not divided by image of height of the image.
Height of the
Height and-
image by height of the object.
HI by
It's not.
even here also magnification is HI by which
H naught.
because the comparison between object and image, and it is also to be expressed in terms of object distance and image distance.
Minus v by u.
It is
U plus
v by u. And in case of lens,
V by U.
V by U.
v by u or just v by u, right? Then
Exact.
similarly, with respect to concave mirror, you have come across the magnification, whether it is positive or negative or both. Both. Magnification with respect to concave mirror, it may be either positive or negative. Positive when the object is placed between cone of the mirror and principal focus, image is formed behind the mirror in case of mirror, and object height, it is applied, image height, that is also applied. Here both are on the principal, above the principal axis, therefore both are positive. Positive by positive, it is positive. In all other cases with respect to concave mirror, you may place the object at f, between f and 2f, or beyond at 2f or beyond 2f. Image is formed on the same side of the mirror, right? Same side of the object, and all will be inverted because images are formed below the principal axis. Height of the image is negative, height of the object is positive, therefore it will be negative. That we had learned. Here, and one more. Convex mirror. Convex mirror. You know that in case of convex mirror, height of the object is always positive. Height of the image, that is also positive because we will get only erect image. Hence, it is positive only. Not only that, even we have also come to know that in case of concave mirror, whatever the image is formed, image, it will be, sometimes it will be bigger than the object, it will be equal to the object, or it will be less than the object, nothing but smaller than the object. Hence, magnification will be either greater than 1 or less than 1 or equal to 1. Is it not? Whereas convex mirror only, always we get diminished image. Right? Convex mirror, we will get the image which is always smaller than the object. Hence, M is always less than 1. Same. See, actually, they look like similar with respect to lens. With comparison, I have been making you to recall one concept and also making you to learn one concept. Here, magnification with respect to convex lens. With respect to convex lens, whether it is positive or negative,
Both positive and negative.
or both.
Both set positive and negative.
Convex, focal length, or principal focal. 2 times, here also 2 times. Observe. I'm going to place the object here, where the image is formed. Same side, right? This is the image. Height of the image by height of the object. Whether both are positive or both are negative.
Either be positive.
Height of the image, positive. Height of the object, positive. Positive by positive, positive. So magnification is positive. Similarly, now assume that this is the object between F and 2F, where the image is formed. Beyond 2F,
Inverse.
right? Height of the image, negative, because below the principal axis. Height of the object, above the principal axis. Negative by positive, negative.
Negative.
So magnification is positive or negative for convex lens. Compare model. We know that hi by h naught. This is object with the image is what? Same side. Height of the image to the height of the object. Hi by h naught. Observe, it is bigger and this is smaller. Then what will be the magnification? Will it be greater than 1 or less than 1?
Always be less.
Greater value by smaller value. It is always greater than 1. Okay. So we can say it is greater than 1. Now I am going to place the object at 2F, where the image is formed. At 2F,
At 2F. Other side of the object.
2F, other side of the line.
lens. Now, height of the object is 10 centimeter. Height of the object 10 centimeter. Height of the image 10 centimeter only. Right? Greater than 1 or equal to 1 or less than 1?
Equal to
Equal to 1.
Equal to 1. Next, I am going to place the object beyond 2f, where the image is found. Between f and 2f. Assume that this is 10 centimeter. And the 3 is
Less than 10.
less than 10, around 6 centimeter. Got it? Because we'll get diminished image here. Height of the image is 6 centimeter, height of the object is 10 centimeter. We'll get 0.6. Less than 1 or greater than 1 or equal to 1.
Less than 1.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Magnification is
greater than 1, less than 1 or equal to 1.
with respect to convex lens. Concave lens. This is principal axis, aperture, concave, optic center, principal focus, second principal focus, here also principal focus. Now, where the object is placed?
Between O
O
and
and
F.
F. Where the image is formed?
Same side.
On the same side. Hello?
Raju sir.
Yes, sir.
Raju sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ask some question to Rajat Kesari sir.
Yeah, I know that fellow is sleeping because of his overnight duty.
Okay.
Some students, they are helping their parent by going to part-time job. This is pandemic situation, no? Corona effect. Many have lost their business. Please do concentrate. Magnification, height of the image, height of the object, height of the image, positive or negative?
Negative. Positive. Sir.
Positive. It is formed above the principal axis. Next, height of the object. Positive. Positive by positive.
Positive.
Magnification is always positive with respect to concave. But always we should consider other positions as well. If I place the object at 2f, where the image is formed, between f only,
O and F.
image is positive, object is positive, positive by positive, positive. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ magnification positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ with respect to concave. Next, let us come to know the value. Now, that is height of the object, 10 centimeter. Height of the image less than 10, around 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter.
So then it is 4 by 10.
0.4.
4. Less than 1, equal to 1 or greater than 1?
Less than 1.
Always be less than 1.
1. You may place the object here also. Then what may it is found here, right? Height of the object.
Less than 1.
Less than 1.
1.
Less than 10 only. This for both. Even 4 and the next
2.
4, 3, 1. Because it is smaller. So again, it is less than 1 only. Magnification will be less than. Clear? Just observe. With respect to convex lens, magnification is positive or negative, and is greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1. Same thing is for concave mirror. Then concave lens magnification is only positive, and its value is always less than 1. And it is also said with respect to convex mirror. Clear? With this information, let's go for solving the problems. Before that, what you should write?
Length formula.
Length formula very well. Sign convention side. Now you have to write length formula. Right.
ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕಳ್ಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಾನೇ ಗೊತ್ತು
Vismay SK. Vismay SK. Very good. Keep unmute your audio. Very nice.
I think between daughter and mother. Right, length formula. It gives the relationship among, very good. It gives the relationship among, I'll write it symbolically. U, what is U? One student, I asked the same, what is U? He said his name.
Object distance.
Object distance.
Object distance.
U is object distance. V, image
Image
distance.
distance.
F of length. Object distance with respect to lens, image distance with respect to lens, and focal length of the lens. This relationship can be written as 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Over. Next right. Next over. Magnification. Magnification. Write the definition. Magnification. Yes, sir. The ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Height of the object with respect to lens. Lens is called magnification. Then what is magnification formula?
HI by
M is equal to
V by U.
HI S naught, or it is also equal to
V by U.
V by U minus V by U ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು with respect to mirror. Next, write two more points. This is magnification with respect to directly convex lens. With respect to this, magnification is either positive or negative. If you come across the value, M is greater than 1 or smaller than 1 or equal to 1. You may write it separately or together. If you want to write it together, you can write like greater than 1, less than 1 or equal to 1. Next, concave lens. M is always positive
Less
or
than
always
1.
negative? Always positive. And the value will be always less than 1 or equal to 1?
Always less than 1.
Always less than 1. Now, just I'm going to give you a table with respect to mirror and lens. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Right, side heading, just for your information only. Comparison between mirror and lens. Comparison between mirror and lens. Draw a table. One column is for mirror and second column is for lens. The table is over. Right. This is mirror and is lens. Let us take from formula. Overall, yes, right. What is mirror formula? 1 by f
is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u.
mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Next, just beside lens formula. Lens
1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u.
Yes. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Next. Magnification. Here, with respect to mirror, m is equal to hi by h naught, which is equal to minus v by u. Next. Magnification with respect to lens. Right. Magnification. It is m is equal to hi by h naught, that's equal to
M
plus
by V.
by u.
V by
Next, magnification with respect to convex lens.
mirror.
With respect to convex. Really, m is either positive or negative. Magnification with respect to concave. Concave magnification with respect to concave. M is either positive or negative. Next, magnification. Value of the magnification with respect to convex lens. It is either or equal to 1 or
Sir, you are right, convex, sir.
greater than 1. Here, magnification, it is greater than 1. Concave mirror, greater than 1 or equal to 1 or less than. Next, magnification with respect to concave lens.
Sir, magnification of concave lens is always
Sir, in
positive.
magnification. Yes, sir.
Magnification of
You wrote positive and negative, sir.
convex, sir.
Mirrors.
Mirror.
Yes, sir. That is positive and positive.
Convex. concave, sorry. Concave, and this is convex. This is convex. And magnification with respect to concave lens, it is always less than. So these are the 4 points comparison with respect to mirror and lens. Over. Listen, dear students, in tomorrow's class we can focus on the numerical problems on lens formula as well as the magnification.
Sir, side
One
please.
more
Sir.
information, actually this coming Sunday I thought to conduct periodical test too, but some schools are going to conduct a test. So as I got information from some students, so that coming Sunday you'll be having as usual weekly test only. And the next Sunday you'll be having periodical test. Okay.
Side please.
And one more
Sir.
information. Here, Thiru.
Sir.
Coming Sunday, you have weekly test only. And one more information, I expect you to submit the worksheets regularly without fail. And from today onwards, I'm going to give you just one question from each chapter. One question from each chapter, and the concept what I have taught from this only 2 questions are because it will also help you to recall the previous chapter's concept as well. We have covered real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Just I'll give you one question only. Then chemical reactions and equations.
Energy.
One question. So 5 questions. Only from this concept, 2 questions. 7 questions will be there. Yes. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.